Hi, I'm Dr. Arsalan and today we are going to discuss the types of neurons. Neuron is basically a structural and functional unit of nervous system. It is an excitable cell which transmits the nerve impulses across the body, and there are about 86 billion neurons in the human body. This is the structure of a typical neuron which we had studied in our previous lecture, the link of which is given in the description box. But today we will discuss the types of neurons. Basically, there are three types of neurons: the sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons, which are also called as associative neurons. Now we'll briefly elaborate these three types of the neurons. Now the first one is sensory neuron. These are the neurons which carry nerve impulses from receptors to the central nervous system, and these neurons usually carry the sensory information from different sense organs like skin, eyes, nose, tongue, ears. These are the 5 sense organs of the body, and the information or impulses are called sensory information, which are directly conveyed by the sensory neurons to the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord. The sensory neurons are usually unipolar. It means that the axon and dendrite are arising from the cell body as a single fiber. For example, this is a cell body and this is a single fiber arising from the cell body. This serve as dendrite and this serve as axon. So a single fiber arising from the cell body, it constitutes the unipolar neurons. Being unipolar, the sensory neuron has short axon and these are specialized to receive the stimulus. An adult has about 10 million of the sensory neurons. These are located in the dorsal root ganglion of spinal nerves, and these are the components of peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system means the nerves arising from the brain and spinal cord, that is the cranial nerves or the spinal nerves respectively. So these nerves are composed of sensory neurons and motor neurons. While brain and spinal cord, the central nervous system, it is composed of the interneuron or associative neurons. The second kind of neuron is motor neuron. The motor neurons are designed to carry the nerve impulses or nerve information or commands from the nervous system to the effectors. So these carry motor impulses from central nervous system to the effectors. For example, if body is going to perform the response, then the CNS or central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, these sends commands to the effectors. Effectors are the organs which are going to respond, and these information are carried by the motor neurons. These are located on the ventral root ganglion of spinal nerve, in contrary to the sensory neurons which were located on the dorsal root ganglion of spinal nerve. Sensory neurons was unipolar, while the motor neurons are multipolar, having long axons, and these are designed to perform the responses. There are about 500,000 motor neurons present in the human body of an adult, and these neurons are in least number. And these neurons are found in the effectors. Effectors are the organs which perform responses, for example, the muscles and glands. These are called the effectors, and these motor neurons are located in the effectors. Third kind is interneuron. It's also called as associative neuron. Associative neuron. Associative neuron or interneuron, these are present in the brain and spinal cord, or we can say these are present in the central nervous system only, and these act as middlemen between sensory neurons and motor neurons. These collect information from the sensory neurons and deliver commands to the motor neurons for onward performing the response of the body. And all the nerve impulses are processed in this interneuron or associative neurons. So these are basically aimed to process the nerve impulses and their analysis. All kinds of information are processed in these interneurons. These constitute the brain and spinal cord, and we can say that these are exclusively present in the central nervous system. These are only present in the brain and spinal cord and never found in any other part of the body. These are the most abundant neurons of all three kinds, and about 80 to 85 billion interneurons are present in the human body. These are also multipolar, and these serve as middlemen between the sensory and motor neurons. So these were the three kinds of the neurons: the sensory, motor and interneurons. Hope you will learn something new in this lecture. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.